This is what business we're in, folks. We're not in the printing business or making books or whatever. We're in the people business, and treating people better gets better business results. Please write that down. Treat each other like human beings. We are not human resources. I often say to people, you're not in the HR department. I'm not a resource. I'm a human being. As one of my clients did, they changed the sign on their door from HR to HB. And that's exactly what we are, right? We're all in the people business. Change yesterday, we ended off. Change is all about people, people, people. And if you don't show it cares, that you care, then it doesn't matter. Yeah, we call ourselves the people team. Brilliant. That's brilliant. Kylie, you can have one of those. Yeah.